Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here, coming to you again with rates because this is just absolutely crazy what's going on. Rates have been skyrocketing since Monday. Today is Wednesday the 11th, it's 3:04 p.m. And since Monday when the stock market crashed and then the circuit breaker went off and it stopped all trading and then it came back, stocks started to go up. So it was easy to see what happened there. Here, I'll show you the charts. All right, so here we see Monday, March 9th. You see this long line here, that's almost 100 basis points that the mortgage bonds dropped. So mortgage bonds down, rates go up. Then the next day, which was yesterday, another huge drop. It's like 180 basis points in 2 days. That's huge. Then today started off looking good, moving up, then it dropped all the way down here. It's been up and down, just so volatile, so volatile. I have people who I locked at 2.9 last week, and their rates are 4.3 now if I was to lock them. That's insane. APR 3.0 on the 2.9 and APR 4.4 on the higher rate. So that's compliance. So you can see here, it's just going crazy. The treasuries aren't really doing much, but the bonds are. So if we look at some email updates that I had, what's up with the crazy bond sell-off? Big problems, reprice risk increasing. We don't know right here. We don't know what's causing this. It's so weird. WHO came out saying that it's now a pandemic, but yet we're not seeing any issues. And stocks are dropping, but the mortgage bonds are dropping too. Mortgage bonds are supposed to go up. Stocks drop, people put money in mortgage bonds, and mortgage bonds go up, causing rates to go down. This is unprecedented, completely out of the ordinary. But you know what? You're not hearing anything from the media in the last 3 days. The media hasn't said anything about rates rising because they're clueless. They're always behind the ball. When you hear the media say rates are dropping, guess what? The lowest rates are probably behind us because they're always behind. You have to listen to people like me. So here's some news. Nothing. Double forecast on refinance. Refinance applications spike 8 hours ago. Nothing in here talking about rates on the rise or how dramatically the rates are rising. What's happening is the coronavirus is not going anywhere. The economy is starting to stagnate. People are canceling stuff left and right. This is going to continue. This economic issue is going to continue, which means as it does, rates will go back down. So everyone that's in process that didn't lock, everyone that is interested in starting that didn't lock, we're starting them. We're starting everyone. We're getting them as close to closing as possible. And I'm going to monitor the same way I monitor this every day. Forget the media. Ignore that. But we're going to keep monitoring. When we get to the right point, we're going to lock it in at a low rate. And that's all you can do. But if you sit on the sidelines now and say, well, I'm going to wait for them to come back down, you're going to be the same way people were that wanted to come in now this week when rates were going up. Do not delay. If you want to lower your rate, you have to start. You have to start the process. Rates are rising. It's so volatile. It's driving me crazy. I spend more time explaining this to people than I do actually working on my clients. Luckily, I have a very good support staff doing a lot of that work behind the scenes. So thank you very much, Mortgage Nerd out. I want less volatility. I want the low rates. Isn't that like having your cake and eating it too? But that's what I want. Thanks. Bye.